In this video, I will show you how you can easily download the image from the URL received in the Webhook response. So currently I have connected Jotform into this trigger application, and with the help of this Webhook URL, I have fetched the response of Jotform, and in this response you can notice I have also received an image URL, and here I will teach you how you can easily download this image and how you can even save this image in a specific folder of Google Drive or maybe anywhere else, okay? And that image should be saved very systematically along with a perfect name, okay? So firstly I will show you this image which I am about to save into the Google Drive folder, okay? So I have firstly manually downloaded this image. Alright, so this is the image. Now let us come back to the Pabbly Connect dashboard and let me show you how you can easily download and save it into the Google Drive folder. Clicking on this plus icon, and here I will search for the Google Drive application once. And once it is selected, firstly I will select the action event as create a file in a specific folder, okay? If I will directly upload a file, okay, let me show you where is that action event of uploading a file, okay? So if I will directly upload a file, it is going to save into a root file, okay? Basically it can be saved anywhere in this Google Drive, okay, but I would like to save it into a specific folder. So that is why firstly I will be creating a new folder specifically for this image only, okay? So let me select the same, that is create a file in a specific folder, and just like we have connected Jotform and Pabbly Connect, now I'll be connecting Google Drive and Pabbly Connect, and I will go with the existing connection because I have made this connection multiple times. Here you can see it is connected, and now firstly it will ask you that in which particular folder this file should be created. So firstly I am going to create a new folder in front of you into this Google Drive, okay? So how about I give the name something like all the images submitted by multiple freelancers. Alright, so I have added this name, okay? Let me also correct this spelling first, okay? Clicking on create, and here you will notice my folder will be created. Let me first open this folder in front of you, and you can clearly see it is blank, okay? Now I will select the same folder, but before that I'll have to click on this refresh to fetch new items in order to get that changes reflected here, okay? So here you can notice I have the same folder. Now I can actually access that folder, okay? So I have selected, asking for the file name. So whoever the freelancers are actually submitting their designs via this form, firstly those designs will be captured via Pabbly Connect as a response, as a Webhook response, and then I'm going to download those images, those designs from this particular URL, okay? So let me show you the same. Firstly I will provide the names, something from this Jotform data only, okay? So I'm going to give the file name as the name of the freelancer only, the first name I have mapped, okay? Design submitted by, how about I write something like design submitted via hyphen, giving a space, and here the name of the freelancer will be added here, okay? Well, this is the last name, so I think instead of last name I should add the first name, okay? So let me search for the same, and whatever the value I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, okay? And here in the file type I will select it as drive folder only, and as soon as I will click on that button, you will notice firstly a response will be received. Alright, here you can see the response is already received, and here you can notice one folder is created into my Google Drive, okay? Let me first to show you the name of the main folder which I have created. Well, it was all the images submitted by the freelancers, and when I am opening that folder, one more folder has got created for specifically one freelancer. Basically on every form submission, multiple folders will be created individually in this main folder, okay? And once the dedicated folder is created into the Google Drive, now finally I am going to download that image, and now I am going to upload that image into that Google Drive folder. For that I'll have to search for the Google Drive application once again, and this time I will search for this upload a file action event, okay? And again I will connect it with this existing connection only, and make sure if you are connecting this for the first time, you will always have to go with the new connection and provide the access of your Google Drive application. Okay, now finally it is asking the public file URL to be uploaded, and the maximum file size is actually 50 MB. Okay, and here you can also read that what are the file formats allowed to be downloaded. Okay, so again I am going to map the image URL from this Jotform form submission data only. Okay, so this is the file upload field, basically this is the image URL, and again I am telling you that this should be always a publicly accessible URL, then only you will be able to download those images using this automation, using this workflow. Asking for the folder ID, basically in which folder you would like to save this image, save this file. Okay, so I am going to map the ID again from the previous step data. Remember, we have created a dedicated folder for this particular image. Okay, so I will be mapping the same folder ID. Let me do the same. Okay, and finally it is asking for the file name, so again I will write something like image via, and here I will map the full name of the person, which was demo. I will give a space, and then I will finally map the last name. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to be received, waiting for that file to be uploaded here automatically, and here you can notice the same file has been downloaded, has been updated here into my Google Drive folder along with a relevant name, that is image via demo freelancer. Okay, so this is how you can easily download the images from the URL received in the webhook response, and this is how you can save those images into the dedicated Google Drive folder. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.